My little brother gone, but my heart's still with him. And yes, I still miss him. I still miss him. My little brother dead and my heart's still with him. And yes, I still miss him. I still miss him. My little brother gone, but my heart's still with him. And yes, I still miss him. I still miss him. My little brother dead and my heart's still with him. And I still miss him. I still miss him. Goddamn, I can't believe my nigga gone. Tears can't express it, so I put it in a song. Remember late nights, dog, we used to get it on. Cop rooms after 6, wait for the chicks to call the phone. I still remember finding out you had cancer. I turned to God and begged him for an answer. You was my brother, just from another mother. Hurt me to my fucking soul to see you laying on them covers. I know you gone to the heaven up above us, but I never got the chance, bro, to tell you that I love you. You was only 18, why the fuck you had to leave? When I got that bad news, dog, I couldn't even breathe. I never dreamed that I'd carry you to that hearse. It hurt me in a way, and that way was the worst. The sad thing is that your life had just began. Felt like I lost my life, but I lost my best friend.